Welcome all. In this video series of arithmetic progression, in the last lecture, we have discussed some properties of arithmetic progression, and we will continue our discussion on remaining properties of arithmetic progression. The property we have discussed four property in the last lecture, and the fifth property says that if in an AP sum of n term is m and sum of m term is n, then sum of m plus n term will be is equal to minus m plus n. Here we have one question. We will solve this using this property, or we will prove this property by solving this question. So the question is, for an AP sum of two term is 4, sum of two term is 4. Hence let's solve it. Here n is equal to 2, and here given us Sn equal to 2 by 2, 2a plus n minus 1. N is equal to 2, 2 minus 1, and d we don't know, which is equal to 4. So 2a plus d is equal to 4. This is equation number 1, and sum of 4 term is equal to 2. Let's assume it's Sn1 and it is Sn2. Here given is sum of 4 term is 2. So n is equal to 4 by 2, 2a plus 4 minus 1 d, which is given 2, which is 2, 2a plus 3d to 2. That is 4a plus 6d is equal to 2. Let's divide the whole equation by 2. We get 2a plus 3d equals to 1. This is equation number 2. From equation number 1, we can say that d is equal to 4 minus 2a, and putting d equal to 4 minus 2a in equation number 2, 2a plus 3 times of 4 minus 2a, which is equal to 1, 2a plus 12 minus 6a, which is 1, minus 4a is equals to minus 11. A is equal to 11 by 4. Now putting a equals to 11 by 4 in this equation, d is equal to 4 minus 2 times of 11 by 4, 1 za 2 za. D is equal to, when we solve it, we will get 3 by 2. Now we have value of a and d. We can put it in the formula, that is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. N is equals to 6 because we have to find out the sum of 6 term of that AP. N is equal to 6 by 2, 2 multiplied by a is 11 by 4 plus n minus 1, 6 minus 1, 5 multiplied by d is equals to 3 by 2, which will be equals to 6 by 2, this is 11 by 2 plus 15 by 2, which will be equal to 3 multiplied by 6, 26 by 2, and here it is n minus 6 plus, here d is minus 3 na, minus 3 by 2, so it will be minus, and here minus 4 by 2, which is equals to 1 za 2 za, that is minus 6. And if we put directly the values of m plus n, here m is 2 and n is 4 in this formula, minus 4 plus 2, we get minus 6. If in an AP sum of n term is m and sum of m term is n, then the sum of m plus n term will be minus m plus n, and that's what we have found out by solving this question. Now the property number 6 is, if same number is added or subtracted from each term of AP, the new series will be again in AP. Let's assume one AP is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and if we add 2 to each term of this AP, then what we get? Adding 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. We can see that here the new series is also an AP because the common difference is still 2. And the property number 7 says if same number is multiplied in all terms of an AP, the series formed will be in AP. Let's multiply some number in this AP and check out. Let's multiply 3 in this AP. 3, 3 3 is 9, 5 3 is 15, 7 3 is 21, and 9 3 is 27. Here we can, let's check for the common difference. 9 minus 3, 6, 15 minus 3, 15 minus 9, 6, 21 minus 15, that's still 6, 27 minus 15, that's still 6. Hence all the properties are satisfied and proved by this some of these examples. So that's it for this lecture. Please like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much and see you in the next lecture.